Hey everyone, okay, so today I have my dirty dressing gown on and I thought we would do a skin peel. I've been really excited to try this, and it's from Glow Beauty. It's Resurface and Smooth, AHA Resurfacing Peel. So I thought we would just do the whole peel right now. So this is what you get, and this is mine by the way. You get all these little applicators and droppers. Some other contents, hairband, and some reusable cotton pads, and some instructions. So I thought we would just give this a go. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna go and wash my face. And I'm gonna use the Hydro Bright AHA cleanser, which I got as well. So let's wash my face. Okie doke, so obviously I'm gonna avoid my chin area since it's already irritated. And I'm going to be dealing with that soon because I'm sick of it now. Okay, so let's have a look. So we need to take these gauze out and all of this stuff. I'm not very good with following instructions, I'm not going to lie to you. We've got a massive cotton swab here. Look how big that is. That is gigantic. Okay, so what's it say? Saturate one of the cotton gauzes in the Hydra Pro 5. That's this one. Okay. And then sweep over one's face. So I thought it would be a really nice idea to do a peel because lately I have neglected my skincare, which is very unlike me. But when you're feeling a bit fed up and low, my appetite tends to reduce, and I just stop doing stuff. So I thought it would be a good idea to get back into it, and I literally haven't used any skincare. I've got some breakouts at all for nearly 2 weeks, so, you know, shame on me. So I'm going to just apply this all over, but avoiding the chin area. Okay. Wait for 30 seconds, then apply the remainder of the product. Okie doke. It's funny. Skincare was one of those things that, even though my routine only took me a minute or so in the evening, it's one of the things that just got neglected, and it's time to get, because I've noticed the big difference. I've got some breakouts here, and my skin rarely breaks out anymore. So it's time to get back onto it. So let's apply the second layer of product. And what I'll do is, it's nighttime now, so I'll show you in the morning how my skin looks. Can you imagine if it looks worse? Okay. So that's the second lot of product done. Saturate one of the gauze with the peel prep. Swipe all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Okay, where's the peel prep? That's this bottle here. So any remaining product may be discarded. Yeah, well, there won't be any remaining product, all right. Not being funny. Peels aren't cheap. We're going to use every bit of it. Oh, that's strong. That feels strong. Oh, my skin is so bad recently. Just been neglected. It really has. Shame on me. And let's just use the last little bit. Probably doesn't actually say to go down on your neck, so maybe you shouldn't do that. But I have. Okay, so you have to protect sensitive areas of the face with a barrier balm using a cotton swab. Where's the barrier balm? Where is the barrier balm? Is it in one of, there it is. It's in one of these little packets. Okay, so I'm going to apply it to my chin. My poor chin. I forget the name of it. It's something to do with the hair follicles. when men grow beards and it irritates the skin. And that's what I have underneath the eye area and the eyelid. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay, so pour the contents of the HA resurfacing peel into the cup. Okay. Ta-da! And then use the massive applicator, which is this huge thing. Apply one even layer to the skin, avoiding the eye area that's protected by the balm. When you've achieved an even single layer, leave on the skin for 2 to 5 minutes. How exciting. I haven't done a peel like this. Oh my God, what do you reckon? 10 years maybe? Gotta be 10 years. Gotta be 10 years, easy. So I've just been using other things. This just really interested me because I like instant results and peels are pretty good at that. Now I'm going to leave this on the skin for 5 minutes. Okay, so it literally has been about 5 minutes. So now I've got to neutralize it by using about half of the neutralizer on the cotton pad and going over the face with it. Now, ironically, the peel itself didn't tingle. The other product that I used, the second product, the peel prep, that actually tingled. But the peel itself didn't really tingle, although I'm feeling it now, neutralizing it more. I've got to get some IPL because for some reason all the capillaries are broken around my nose, and that's just great. So it says wait for about 30 seconds and see if any more tingling is happening. And then just use the remainder, I guess, if there is. And my skin is actually tingling a little bit. So I probably am going to use the remainder. What does it say to do now? Assess your skin after 1 to 2 minutes. If flushing activity is little to none, apply an even layer of Glide Pro retinol drops. These ones here. And then continue for 2 to 5 nights per week with the drops. If flushing activity is moderate, wait 24 hours. You can rinse your skin with cold water as well and pat dry. So that's what I'm going to do now, and we'll see where we are. Okay, so my skin is dry and it is not reacting in the slightest. So I'm going to use some of those Pro Retinol drops. I'm going to use 5 drops, and it's really bright orange. And then I will see you all in the morning, and I'll film pretty much first thing, and we'll see how my skin looks. And we'll take it from there. So I have another drop here. And then we'll see how we are in the morning. Okay, peel done. See you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so as promised, it is first thing in the morning. It is 11 minutes past 8. And this is what my skin looks like this morning after doing the peel. I've got a tiny little spot underneath my eye, but otherwise my skin is very, very smooth. It is so smooth. I had a lot of dry skin around my nose. That is completely gone. So all in all, I'm very impressed with the peel. I've also bought, let me just show you, keep my dressing gown closed. I also bought the BioRenew EGF cell repairing facial as well. So I thought I would give that a go later on in the week. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll leave all the information in the description bar and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.